In this video, we will learn how to insert charts in Excel. In Microsoft Excel, a chart is often called a graph. It is a graphical representation of data from a worksheet used for comparison in a tabular form. Let's select the marks of 3 subjects obtained by 6 students. Now click on Insert. You will get the options of various charts like column chart, bar chart, pie chart, etc. You can choose any chart type and its subtypes according to your requirement, and the preview will be shown like this. However, let's consider our column chart now. Since last time I have not selected the heading like student's name and their subjects, it is showing series 1, 2, 3. So I am deleting the chart and now I am selecting the entire required data. And you can go to Insert and choose the chart. But there is a shortcut key F11. So after selecting the data, if you press F11, you can find a new sheet as chart 1. The data is there in sheet 1 and chart is formed in chart 1 sheet. Here you can find Rahul Bhor, Ajay Verma, Ramesh Dhaval, Sandeep Sharma, Vinod Sharma, Akash Kale, and marks obtained by them through this chart. Whatever chart is created here, you can see different options of chart in Design tab. You are also getting Format tab for formatting. First of all, let's do some formatting. Whatever name is seen at the bottom of the chart, you can increase the size of these names from Home tab, right? You can also apply background color. This way, you can highlight it. You can also increase chart title. If you like to insert any new name in chart title, you can type it in formula bar. Here we are writing Student Progress. You can get ready-made designs in Design tab. So whatever formatting I did, it will simply get vanished. But yes, after choosing the ready-made design, you can format it easily by increasing font size, making it bold. Now whatever you are getting as subject 1, 2, 3, it is known as legend. A legend is a representation of entries on the plotted area of chart. You can move these legends in the bottom or right side or above the chart by click and drag method wherever you want. You can increase the box size. You can increase the size of the content. You can make it bold. Increase the size of the box. The colors are different for different subjects like sky blue, orange, gray. Now we can find data labels. Data labels are values on the worksheet and they update automatically when changes are made to these values. These values 45, 65 are actually data labels. We can choose any layout, any formatting. Anyways, let's undo it. You can also notice change color option. We can choose any colors for presenting the plot area of your chart. Apart from this, there is a quick layout button. You can use quick layout option to change the overall layout and styles of the chart quickly by choosing one of the predefined layout options. So whatever you are feeling presentative, you can choose that one. Even table is also appearing at the bottom of the chart. Now coming to add chart element. You can find axis titles. We can observe vertical and horizontal axis. If we click on vertical axis, we can notice axis title. If you like to enter marks here, write it in formula bar and enter. If you want to increase the size, you can do it like this. It's interesting, no? Now moving to chart title, you can choose none, above chart, center, etc. Here we have already chosen chart title as student progress above the chart. Now go to data labels. It's also various types. You can choose the position of the data labels as per your choice. Now try to follow the changes of data labels with each options minutely. Then appears data table. With legend keys, the colors or patterns are appearing with legends. With no legend keys, the colors are not appearing with legends. Next is grid lines. We can apply various types of grid lines in the background from the options available here. Simultaneously, you can decide the position of the legend. Right, top, left, bottom. Another very interesting feature of chart or graph is switch row or column. So here rows is changed to column and columns are changed to rows. How much Rahul Bhor got in 3 different subjects, it's displaying all. So you can switch rows and columns according to your requirements. After that we have Select Data button. In this, if we want to minimize our data, say we are selecting the records of 4 students instead of 6 students. It is appearing as such. Similarly, we can increase our data too. Next, coming to Change Chart Type option. Here we can convert any chart to line, pie, bar. Column and bar chart is most representative. Pie is mainly used for single column, whereas bar or column chart is most suitable for multiple column records. Our last option is Move Chart. Now I want to move this ready chart in sheet 1. Simply click on Move Chart, then type the location where you want to move this chart in Object in option, that is sheet 1. So finally you are getting this chart in sheet 1. The size of the chart is too big. So let's reduce the size of the chart to make it absolutely perfect. You can minimize the size of marks as well. You can remove the grid line, etc. So we have come to know all the basic features of a chart.